Aria is our contemporary new design, but it's more than just a seat or a bench. It's a modular seating system. This means you can use our tried and tested standard parts to create a custom configuration that's perfectly tailored to your project. It's the flexibility of custom design with the reliability of our standard modules. Currently available are the 1, 2 and 3-seater benches and seats with 45, 90 and 180 degree connectors to create curves, rings, S-shapes, back-to-back, any configuration to fit your community's needs. Add arms if you like, and choose from pedestal or splay legs underneath. Aria is also compatible with the new PowerMe table for outdoor charging and public Wi-Fi. You can create your design in 3 ways. First, by logging into the designer portal on our website, streetfurniture.com, and downloading the CAD blocks. You can go old school by printing page 16 of our Smart Suite brochure. Then cut, paste, and measure the 2-scale diagram. Or you can use our augmented reality app, Build Aria, to drag and drop your design on your phone or tablet and then view in augmented reality wherever you happen to be, in your office or even on site. We have a step-by-step video guide to show you how it all works. Battens for Aria are available in eco-certified hardwood, your choice of Kumaru or Australian Jarrah, anodized aluminium, wood grain aluminium, or select one of our powder coat colors. We recommend our special anti-mar textura powder coat finish to protect the frames and the PowerMe tables. The battens are cleanly connected to the frame with minimal screws, eliminating places for water pooling, leaching, grime buildup, and rot, and improving Aria's outdoor performance, making it easier to clean and maintain. Pair Aria with the cafe round tables and stools and the forum range to create social settings for work, dining and play. The Aria seating system is designed and made in Australia by Street Furniture Australia in our studio and factory in Western Sydney. It is constructed from solid metal die castings for maximum durability. It has been my pleasure to share Aria with you. If you'd like some more information, please get in touch with our team. And if you're interested in street furniture or trends in public space, please subscribe to our channel or follow us on social media.